Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and this time, they're bringing some serious upgrades. From a larger battery and faster charging to a fresh new design and improved durability, this foldable is finally catching up with the competition. Let's break it all down. One of the most exciting changes, though, is the design overhaul. For years, Samsung's Z Flip lineup has looked a little outdated compared to Motorola's Razr series, but that's changing. According to leaked renders shared by Android Headlines, the Z Flip 7 is finally getting a major facelift, and if you liked the Razr 50 Ultra, you'll probably love this one too. Samsung is increasing the cover display to 4 inches, making it significantly larger than the 3.4-inch screen on the Z Flip 6, and now on par with the Razr 50 Ultra. That's a big deal, as it means more functionality without having to flip the phone open. The main display will remain 6.8 inches, but what's still up in the air is the refresh rate of the cover screen. Traditionally, Samsung has kept it at 60 Hz, but with competition pushing 120 Hz, this might finally be the year they upgrade. Durability is also seeing a major boost. Samsung is focusing on making its foldables last longer, and the Z Flip 7 will feature a brand new hinge design that promises to be more durable than ever. In addition, the internal structure is getting a reinforcement overhaul, making the phone better equipped for long-term use. But the most interesting addition: new dust protective brushes in the hinge. This raises an important question. Could we be looking at the first dust-proof foldable? Samsung previously introduced IP48 dust and water resistance with the Z Flip 6, but it wasn't very effective. If they'd finally cracked the dust-proofing problem, the Z Flip 7 could be the most durable foldable Samsung has ever made. Now let's talk about performance. Rumors were swirling that Samsung might use the Exynos 2500 for this device, which had some fans concerned. But according to internal sources, that's not the case. The Z Flip 7 will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring top-tier performance without the worries that usually come with Exynos chips. However, this does open the door for the possibility of a Z Flip Fan Edition, a more budget-friendly model that could feature an Exynos processor instead. One of the biggest issues with Samsung's foldables has always been battery life. While competitors like Find N5 have been pushing the limits, Samsung has lagged behind. But that's about to change. The Z Flip 7 will pack a 4300 mAh battery, which is just shy of the 4400 mAh in the Z Fold 7. It's a noticeable improvement over last year's 4000 mAh in the Z Flip 6, which means longer screen time and fewer trips to the charger. To top it off, Samsung is introducing a larger vapor chamber for better heat dissipation, ensuring that the phone runs cooler even during intense usage. And speaking of charging, Samsung is finally listening. For years, they've stuck with 25 watts fast charging for their foldable lineup, even while their budget phones, like the Galaxy F56, moved ahead with 45 watts charging. Well, the wait is over. 2025 is the year Samsung finally makes the shift to 45 watts fast charging for the Z Flip 7, meaning you'll be able to power up much faster than before. With all these upgrades, it's clear that Samsung is making some serious moves to improve its foldable lineup. If you're looking for a flip phone that delivers better battery life, faster charging, a bigger display, and increased durability, the Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be the one to watch. However, if you're in need of a phone right now, Samsung is currently offering great deals on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which might be worth checking out. Excited about what's coming? Don't forget to stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, peace out.